So this is my Yamaha RX100, and in this video we'll be doing a RPM setup on this. It has normal meters of RX100. I'll be installing RXZ speedometer and RPM meter console over here. I have arranged all the things, and unlike RX100, you can see this casing is of RXZ. This is having the RPM provision. Provision of RPM is not there in RX100. So I have got all the assemblies, cable, speedo and everything. Slowly I have arranged all the parts in places. So I'll show you how to do the process, and then we can, first and foremost, we need to remove the kick assembly. Kick assembly is out. After removing the kick assembly, we need to unmount the cover from here. First of all, we got to loosen all the screws, then only so now I'll show you the main difference. This is the original RX100 clutch cover. You see, this place from outside it is packed, or from inside also you can see it is sealed from both ends, from over here also and from here also. Although we have space for putting the pinion rod over here on the casing and over here on the cover. Now I'll show you the cover. Now you can look at this. There is a hole over here via which this pinion comes in, and there is a hole over there as well on the other end. At this side you can look at it, whereas this side is completely sealed. This one, I mean this part, and the same part over there. Look at it here. See, it is opened a hole over there, and the same part over there, it is sealed. Even though what many people do is they take it to lathe and they try to drill a hole over here from here to mount this pinion at place, which only if done by very expert lathe person, then it is good. Or else it can be very much resistant. You can damage the casing ultimately. So right over here is the pinion. I'm taking off from the packet. So this is the pinion which has to go over here, and this one is the end collar on which it will sit. So the end collar is mounted over here. Pinion goes over there, and from the top we need to place an oil seal, and it works good. So now what we'll do, we'll just replace this casing directly with the one of RXZ. Okay, no need of pinion. We just need to put this shaft over here. It will be seated over here from both the ends, and then it will be perfectly seated. I hope you are able to get the process. like what all things need to be changed. Now I've successfully removed this original casing. So this is the shaft which need to be put over here, and on which we will be mounting the RPM wheel and all. So just place it over here, okay, and gently tap it, not very hardly. Tap it till the bottom until you hear that solid tuck tuck noise. Okay, so it will be around, in symmetry with this bolt. So these two, this portion and this portion will be in same level. I hope you are getting my point. I don't have a scale over here, but these and this one and this one should be in same level. So once these are in same level, you will hear a different kind of tuck noise while you are tapping it. So once you get that noise, understand that it is fitted nicely, and once it is fitted, put in the clutch housing and check it if everything is going in right path or not. Okay, so that shaft should enter over here. All right, so once it is done, understand that the shaft installing process is done nicely. Now we'll do the process of installing the RPM wheel, the shims. Okay, so first we'll put this collar. This collar will go first till the bottom so that this portion is covered. Then we will put in the RPM wheel, this one. It should be going like this. Okay, and then we'll put that very fine thin shim over here. Again, shaft, that collar, then goes the RPM wheel, the black one, and then the shim, and then it will be tightened. So this is how we will be installing, and now we'll be putting back the covers. Now before I put back the covers, I got to route the cables. So after routing the cables, I will fit it once again without tightening it. cover is seated. I'll fasten few of the screws and now you can see all the process is complete. I have mounted the kicker assembly, the oil pump. By tomorrow morning I'll be able to get the update about any kind of leakages from this oil seal packing kit or the pump seal. As of now everything looks good and fine. It looks very odd, like the cover is looking nice and the head is looking dirty. Anyhow, it's a mixed match. So now everything is fitted, the pipes are connected, the hoses and everything is connected. I have already started the bike and checked. I'll show you once again. I have mounted the RPM meter. There is some issue with this screw. I will check it and try to rectify it in coming part. Meanwhile, it will be a little loose only. The RPM is working perfectly fine. I haven't mounted the dashboard speedometer and RPM meter. I'll be mounting that as well. Here is the plate that has to go with it. So right now I'll show you. Start the bike and show you how it works. I'll mount this over here. Again, please don't mind the idling of my RX100 because there is some issue with the carburetor also. So it is not well tuned and there is some. That's why it is not working. So it is difficult for me to handle the camera and the meter both together. So I hope it will stay stable over here. Then I will start the bike. That was all for this video. In coming video you will be, or I will be mounting the meter bracket, the connections and the electronic wirings of the light and other things. I'll be showing you those. As of now you are very much familiar with fitting all those things, and from the playlist you are very much aware to adjust the 2T settings. So I won't be diving again into all these things fitting in here. I will do all those things off camera and I'll show you entire new thing of assembling the meter assembly, the ignition switch, and the lighting connections from the headlight door. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned to the channel. I understand that the contents are very less and coming at a very slow speed, but still you guys are supporting. Meanwhile, in case you have any doubt regarding to the videos or any kind of subject of two-stroke motorcycles, ping me on Instagram. Please don't ask for number and humiliate me. Instead, just ping me on Instagram. There we can discuss, and if needed, I'll share the number. We can talk over there. Thanks all. See you again. Stay tuned to the channel. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.